We're the type of company that a customer wants to partner with. We're just not a parts producer. We are a partnership, and we dig into our customers' issues. We want to know what problems they have so that we can help and be part of the team to solve them.
We have access to the best technology and experience in the world.
We're positioned for the future because we're in China. We're also working with other low-cost regions in India and Vietnam. Our plant in America proudly serves the aerospace and defense industries. We are AS 9100 certified and ITAR registered. We have technicians and engineers that understand regulated industries and speak the language.
Bracalente has more flexibility to deliver to the customer's needs. We're willing to make a solution for them and act quickly and deliver what they want.
If there's a crisis, a dock that shuts, the port that closes down, we can make the parts locally and be able to respond to changes in demand. We have multiple solutions.
Success for customers really lies in reliability of service. Knowing that I'm going to get the same product, the same consistency, knowing I can count on you to provide the services that my customers are looking for.
Our core competitive advantage is how we treat our customers, because the management here at Bracalente, they value their employees. The employees value the customer and the work that they're putting into those products.
Our oldest customer relationship is 50 years. They've been bought and sold 4 or 5 times in that 50 years. And the reason why that relationship is still here today is because we keep listening to what they want. And we're continuing to be relevant in that relationship every day.